Now listen, my friend of better personal growth. Do you want to make money online? Do you really want to make money online? Do you want to have this amount of money in your bank account or PayPal account within a minute? So I'm not telling you within a month or a day, but within a minute. Well, if the answer is yes, you will need to watch the videos that I'm sharing with you, tutorials and strategies, so you will get paid again and again this amounts of money online more and more by just following simple tutorials and strategies. So make sure to watch this video and the other ones as well till the end so you can make it work. You will not get confused because you will follow it. Because a lot of people get confused and don't know how to do that because they just interrupt the video in the middle, and after that they complain, I can't make money online, this is scam. No guys, this is not scam, this is proven. If you want to make money online, stay with me and you will understand how you can do that. Welcome back into Better Personal Growth, where we daily share with you videos of making money online, strategies, methods, which are going to help you to earn more and more. And if you like them and you want to see more every day coming up, make sure to like the videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to push the notifications on, so whenever we post a new video, you will get notified and not lose them. So the notifications are going to pop up into your screens. This kind of strategy that I'm going to share with you guys, it's going to work for everyone who is watching this. It doesn't matter which part of the world you are. It doesn't matter if you don't have any previous experience at all. You can make it work. So just stay with me till the end and follow every simple tip that I'm going to give to you. As well, if you want to help your friends to make money online, share the videos. So same as I'm helping you right now, you can help your friends to start earning money online. This is beginner friendly and everyone who is watching this can make money online. Let's just go to the very first website that we are going to use to make money online. Note it, do not forget it, and follow it at the same time that you're listening to me and watching the tutorial as well. You type on your computer the things or the websites that we are going to use to make money online. The very first one is called SEOclerk.com. And what you can do with this platform, there are a variety of things. You can link building, art and design, content and writing, programming, on-site SEO, guest posts, virtual assistants, and social networks and other ones, which I'm not gonna read them all because I will make this video longer without not being necessary. I'm sure that most of you people have heard about SEO Clerk, which is one of the best platforms. It's well known and it's trusted by very good companies all around the world. But what we are here today, it's just about content and writing. Now, do not start to complain because I'm sure that most of you will think we don't have skills or experiences in writing. No, don't worry, guys, because thanks to technology, I have found a very simple strategy and method which you can use to start making money online without not needing to have writing skills at all, because this is going to function totally online without not you having to write anything or to type anything. So make sure to stay with me, stick with me, guys, so you will understand what you can do. Just click into content and writing and you will be directed into this page where you will see here different people sharing different content about writing and so. Now what you can do, guys, is to watch how much people are getting paid about this kind of things. You can see $35, $30, $5, and you can see here how much people have rated their profiles, how much orders are getting, and how much money you can get as well by just doing these. Now, if you just click into sort by default, you will just click into rating and you will be directed into this page where you will see different people getting rated and getting paid just for sharing online articles. And you can see that as well, this has got or are offering different payments of amount from the highest one to the lowest one. Now what you can do, guys, is just to choose between of them, and I've chosen this one over here, which is paying $20 for just sharing content writing online, and I will be directed into this main page. So just click into that and you will see here that how much you will get paid by just doing this platform. What is the good or the best about SEOclerk.com? It's that you can use this platform and everything that is sharing without not worrying about copyright issues. So if I want to copy this platform or this article right over here, I can copy it without not worrying that I'm copying it or about copyright issue. You can see that I can order that, or I can sell it with the same amount of money, same as this guy over here. I can just even change the title, or otherwise I can just leave it like that. This is why this platform is so good, because it will not worry about copyright issue. So yeah guys, what you're gonna do here is just to market the model. So you will just copy all this text over here and start getting paid with a payment of amount higher or smaller than this that you saw right over here. Now, in order to access this platform, or in order to access this article, you will just need to click into join, which is in the upper corner of the page to the left part, and you will be directed right over here where you will need to fill in some information like username, email, password, confirm your password, and continuing with it. A thing that I'm not gonna do, so I will not make this video longer, but I will share with you the platform that I promised you is going to help you to have your articles into your hands, even though that you don't have any previous experience. So it's called writesonic.com. Note it, I'm going to repeat, writesonic.com, and you will be directed into their main page, which is going to help you and to provide you all powdered content to boost your website and SEO and generate more traffic. So you will be able, with the help of this platform, to boost your account, to have more traffic, and to have more money for sure. In order to access it, just click on the sign up if you don't have a new account, fill in some information, and you will be directed into their main page. As you may see, for the moment, this is a platform, or this is the page that I am using to share this information with you. Now, what you need here is this very first popular article, which is AL article and blog writer. So it's related with the thing or theme that we have chosen. So just click there and you will be directed into this page. You will need to choose between AL article writer 3.0 and a social editor. You will choose the very first one. So now don't get interrupted or disturbed, because you will choose the very first one. And whenever you choose there, this is how it's going to look like. Now, I want you guys to think about a niche that people really like. You can see here that with the fourth step, you can be able to access an article. So just think about something that people really like. So for example, fashion. Just click into topic, fashion, right over here. Click into generate ideas to the very end of the page. Now, don't worry about coin issue, because this is going to be offered to you totally for free. Just click there and you will be directed right over here, seeing different articles about fashion. What you can do is just join to this platform, download the article, and going back to SEO Clark and sharing this article that you have with these guys right over here. And you will get paid again and again by just doing so. Now, another tip and another bonus which I will highly recommend or would like to share with you is if you go to facebook.com and search for, content writing groups, you can join there and send them something like, check this out guys, this platform or this idea, it's totally for you to access. So you will just make it for free for the beginning, and after that you will just see that people will like it and you will sell more and more by just doing so. You can even use Fiverr to promote your affiliate link and get more paid. Just choose between of them, but what is the more important, which one of them you choose, you will get paid, because you are doing a very simple work online by following it from your computer or smartphone. If you learned something new today and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and to push the notifications on so you will not miss any video. Thank you for watching.